Just feel this. Now Mr. Wu was a laundry man in a shop with an old green door. He dined all day, all in a way, he really makes me sore. He's lost his hat to a Chinese girl and his laundry's all gone wrong. All day he'll flirt, scorch your shirt, that's why I'm singing this song. Oh Mr. Wu, what shall I do? I'm feeling kind of like those Chinese laundry blues. This funny feeling keeps round me stealing. Oh, won't you throw your sweetheart over too? My dress so short that it won't fit my little brother, and my new Sunday shirt has got a perforated rudder. Mr. Wu, what shall I do? I'm feeling kind of like those Chinese laundry blues. Now Mr. Wu, he's got a naughty eye that flickers. You ought to see it wobble when he's hiding ladies' blouses. Mr. Wu, what shall I do? I'm feeling kind of like those Chinese laundry blues. Now Mr. Wu, he owns a laundry kind of tricky. He starts with shirts and collars, but he never touched me waistcoat. Mr. Wu, what shall I do? I'm feeling kind of like those Chinese laundry blues. Oh Mr. Wu, what shall I do? I'm feeling kind of like those Chinese laundry blues. Thank you very much.